All the bolt holes and such should be marked from the factory. The lines are now drawn on there beforehand. If you want to verify the placement of those holes, you drill the first one up in this far outer corner, upper corner. That's really the important one. Drill it all the way through and put a shorter bolt, same size, from the back, and use the driver's side one. The holes are in the same place, and just switch it around so it's on this side. And then check your alignment there of their marks. Drill your second one, do the same thing, and then you can use a drill that just fits inside of there and leave a little mark. It'll leave the center mark right on there so that you verified that all your holes are perfectly aligned. Then just take the bolts out and then drill them the rest of the way through with your 3/8 drill. And then when that was on there also, I put the mark here, which should come from the factory also, for the slot. That will coincide with this slot here where the J hinge comes through. Of course, these little cups up here, which used to be used for the latch mounts, come in handy for keeping little drills and everything in there. But right now I have a nice little center mark for the hole. And just drill them through. Now normally I run my shop vac when I'm drilling through fiberglass or sanding, just to keep that fiber down, and it'll build up in your lungs pretty quickly. I didn't do it just so you could hear me talking as I did this. So those holes now should be all good. This is the passenger one, and it's going to mount on the inside of this just like this. And that hole that's marked. So all 4 holes are nicely aligned now. I'm just going to get all 4 started. Just make sure. And these are not the correct bolts. These are mine that are shorter. And I gotta clean those holes out. Okay, so all 4 bolts are going to be willing to go in there. I'll use the button head ones when it comes time to put them in, but now I'm going to go back and cut out this slot. You also want to make sure in this, where the mounting plate sticks through, that you're going to be able to get a bolt in there, and it'll be able to come through. And the bolt will come in this way here. And so that's got plenty of clearance. clearance there. If not, then you just get your Dremel sanding drum and take a little bit out right there where my finger is for the lock nut to go into there.